Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix error code Getsockopt failed to connect to the server error. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, what I suggest to do here, if there is a availability to restart a server, please do so and then try again and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, you need to try to connect to the server with a subdomain or IP address. So you just need to go to multiplayer and then direct connection and put server IP address, or here you need to just put subdomain and look if the problem persists. And if it's not working, probably it's not on the server and a problem is on your end. So what you need to do here, you need to, on search, look for Windows Defender Firewall. And on Windows Defender Firewall, you need to look for allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then press change settings here and then click on one of the tasks here and press M until you see Minecraft. So as you can see here, there is plenty of tasks, but here Minecraft for Windows, you need to make sure that it's on private and public and do with all the Minecraft tasks here. Then you just need to press J and look for Java and also make sure that public and private is ticked here. And then you just need to apply the changes. Then what you need to do here, you just need to open up, again, command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here we need to put command ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is -winsock reset. After that, restart your computer. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to go to settings, then go to network, advanced network settings, and network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. And if you're using Ethernet cable, you don't need to do here nothing. And then last thing what you need to do here, press network and internet, advanced network settings, find your internet connection. In my case is this one. Then select and make sure VPN is not connected. Go to more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server addresses, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Apply the changes, and your issue should be solved. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.